Hi, I'm Amy from Killer Acrylic. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this really easy quartz design. I first came across this sort of design when I first started doing nails, and I've done it layering acrylic, different pink, different white, and that's a great way to do things, but this is really easy and it's really quick. If you're not used to layering acrylic, you can just sculpt a base and go ahead and paint this straight on top. So for this set, it's a quartz set, so I've used a sheer, milky, natural coloured sort of acrylic, which is Blank Slate from Neo Nails. And what I'm doing is I've got a little palette with some white stamping nail polish on it, and I have a fine brush and I'm painting lines on the nail first with the fine brush, and then I've got a little detail brush, the sort that you would make 3D flowers with, but I find this perfect for holding a bit of acetone in it. You want some body to it. So I go in and paint different random shapes on the nail. I usually go for a Y, two parallel lines, or a V. Painting it quite thin, and then I've got a little pot of acetone next to me. I dip that brush in there and then I'm just nudging the lines basically. Some areas I put in a high opacity of nail polish, and then other areas you get a low opacity, so that's been watered down with acetone a bit more. And with that, different levels of opacity is where you get the depth from, so you don't need to be layering different types of acrylic to get that effect. And because it's stamping polish, by the time you finish your 10th finger, the first finger is dry, no piddling about curing, so you can go straight in with your top coat, and that's when it pops and comes alive. It's so quick and easy to do this, and my clients love it because it's really subtle, but it's really different as well. It's not some mad set of nails. They can have them quite short still and it look really unique. And there's the finished result for the quartz nails. Absolutely beautiful. Still on this set is obviously much longer, but instead of using a milky acrylic, I've used a very sheer pink. This one I think is Dramatic Pink from Neo Nails. I think there's a different pink that I wanted to use but picked up the wrong one, which was Dramatic Pink. It's either one of those that I didn't use that I wanted to. So it's slightly sheerer than I would have liked, but I still thought they looked really nice. And the client really liked them, so that's all that matters. So again, I'm just repeating the same shapes. I've got a Y there, nudging it along, leaving some areas quite thick with polish, some areas really wishy-washy. Sometimes going back in with the brush and just adding really fine lines to it as well. It is really that simple. And then again, just going with the top coat. Can you hear my cats? I've shut them out and they're all trying to get inside. I've got 2 grown-up cats and then 4 kittens at the moment. And they are pissed that they can't come in whilst I'm doing my voiceover. Perfect for spring, this look, I think. And that is a finished set of nails with the pink underneath, so you get more of a rose quartz effect. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you another time. Bye!